Today we're making pancakes. Step 1 is wash your hands, which I've already done. But you need to wash your hands because you don't want germs in your food. Step 2, gather all your ingredients. Well, you can choose yours, but I got mine. And first we're gonna put 1.5 cups of flour to oatmeal that is cooked. That is 1.5 cups of cooked oatmeal. You add the 1.5 cups of flour to it. And then you next add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then the next ingredient is 1.5 teaspoon of salt, which is barely any actually. It may sound like a lot, but it's not. Next you add 1.5 cups of milk. You do 2 tablespoons of melted butter to the mixture. Next, you crack an egg and then beat it. There. Once you're done beating them, they'll look like this. You put them into your mixture. Then you mix them. At the start, you'll see some foam. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's fried. Time to decorate. We got some chocolate chips, blueberries, mint, strawberries, and bananas, and maple syrup. You can start by any way. You can put as many as you want, but I'm only doing a few. And then you add some blueberries, or your last ingredient. Then you add some mint, then chocolate chips, and then you put maple syrup. I'm not putting much, because too much can make it too sweet. Okay, and then you can try your pancakes. Let's give it a try. It tastes good.